Java is a very powerful programming language used in creating most of the softwares out there. In this video, I am going to show you how to check the Java version installed on your Windows PC using command prompts. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and let's dive into the main video. As said, we would be checking the Java version installed on our Windows PC using command prompt. So to open command prompt, I would be showing you two ways to do that. The first way you can open command prompt is by just using the keyboard combination Windows logo plus R to open the run application, and in the run application just input CMD and click on enter or OK on the application to launch the command prompt. The other way to open command prompt is by using the method we all know. Just click on the search bar on the Windows taskbar and begin typing in command prompt. When you find it in the search results, just click on it to open the application. You should know that command prompt comes pre-installed with any Windows device, so you do not need any online installation to access the application. So when you have launched the command prompt, what you have to do to check your Java version is typing java-version, after which you just click on the enter key and it will give you these results. So you can see that the command prompt has given us the version, SE runtime environment, and the type of bit server the Java runs on. But we only want the version of the Java installed on our PC. So we would be using another command to generate that, which is this time adding a C to the Java command we inputted at first. So the second way to check the Java version installed is typing in java-version, after which you hit the enter key on the keyboard again to give you the results. You can see that this time it has only given us the Java version installed on our PC. If you also want to know the various options you can search for based on Java, just type in Java and click enter on your keyboard. The results given to you shows all the options that you can find using the command prompt when it comes to Java being installed on your PC. Let me show you some quick syntax errors you should avoid in command prompt. Okay, so when looking for the version of Java installed on your PC, do not only type in Java version, else command prompt will tell you there was an error, like what you can see here. And also, do not input Java-version with a hyphen separated from the version, else command prompt would also tell you it's an error. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Peace out.